issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Pushmataha County in southeastern Oklahoma, southwestern Latimer County in southeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Pittsburgh County in southeastern Oklahoma, until 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:18 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Waco, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include McAllister, Hartshorn, Krebs, Kiowa, Savannah, Alderson, Higgins, McAllister Regional Airport, Blanco, Haleyville, Pittsburgh, Gowan, Dow, Vaish. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Oklahoma. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Tulsa.